Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset on your earbuds Oladance OWS Pro. You have to start by opening the application, and right here we have Equalizer, so click on this line and then go to the custom. Now make the best one for you. I guess I'm going with something like this one. And after you make it, just click save, and now, as you can see, it changed. Also, if you don't like it, what you may just click on the reset and you will have it by default, and now you can make it again. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.